India, Namaste to everyone. It's a Chakra Dhyana class once again, and today we are going to talk again on petal mantras. I know some of you may be finding it tough to remember it, but as I said, petal mantras, it's in a sequence, like how we have ABCD in a sequence. Even these are in Hindi alphabetically sequence. For that, I can show you a piece of paper where Hindi alphabet is written down in in sequential order, and how it has been put up on the petals, you will get to see. So you will not, whoever knows Hindi, whoever has learnt Hindi and know ka kha ga ga, they will find it easier to memorize and to remember it, because again, I repeat it, it's in a sequential order. Okay, so don't worry. If you know Hindi alphabet, you will be able to memorize it. It's really very, very easy. As I said, that Sanskrit is the most primitive language. All the other language has been derived from it. And they say it is a Devvani, the language of God. And so all the petals have this wonderful languages alphabet, which have been decorated on these petals. So Ravi, can we show them that page? I know you have put it on the WhatsApp group, but it will be much easier if they can see it. So they will know exactly what I'm talking about.
Okay, give me a second. I'll bring it up.
Yeah.
Can everyone see it?
Can you make it bigger, Ravi, if you don't mind? Yeah. So people who have learned Hindi, and obviously the very first thing that you learn is ka kha ga ga, the alphabet, like how we learn alphabet in English. In the same way, we learn it in Hindi. Now, if you see that ka kha, look at it from the ka kha ga ga. Today we will be learning the Anahat Chakra petal mantras. So if you can see the sequence, ka kha ga ga anga cha cha ja ja ya ta ta. This make 12 petal mantras which belong to Anahat Chakra. Again, they are 12 mantras or 12 alphabet which are there put up on our Anahat Chakra. Okay, then in the yellow color, which has been highlighted by the yellow color, you can see the alphabet da, dha, na, ta, tha, da, dha, na, pa, fa, all in an order. Okay, that is the part of our Manipur chakra. So it's not at all tough if you know exactly from where to do it, and they are 10 alphabets for Manipur chakra. So how do you pronounce this? Dung, dhang, rang, tang, thang, dung, dhang, nang, pang, fang. They are 10. You just add ang or to it as whatever you are comfortable with. Now look at the Swadhisthana. After that, Anahat and then Manipur and then Swadhisthana comes. In Swadhisthana, there are 6 petals. That means 6 mantras. That means 6 alphabet. That too in a sequential order. So you can see it over here. It's ba, bha, ma, ya, ra, la, bang, bhang, mang, yang, rang, lang, which are decorated, which are a part of our Swadhisthana chakra. Now, if you can see that red color highlighted alphabets. They are 4 in number, and you can see that is written Vang, Shank, Sang, Vang, Sharifa wala Shank, Shatkon wala Shank, and Sang. They are part of our Muladhara chakra, which are chanted as Vang, Shang, Shank, Sank. Then we will be learning Agya Chakra, which is blue in color. So all these colors are the part or are the colors of these chakras. Anahat is green color, Manipur is yellow color, orange is for Swadhisthana Chakra, red is for Muladhara Chakra, Agya Chakra it's indigo. And the alphabet on Agya Chakra is Shang and Hang. Chang, Kshatriya wala Chang, and Hang or Cha or and Ha. So you can see that sequence, you can see that order, how it falls. So whoever knows the alphabet, they will not find it difficult to learn it. Then all the vowels, that in English we have vowels, but in Hindi it is known as swar. And all the only 4 swar are added in Sanskrit language. That is that you can see re, 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 and re. Otherwise, we have I, o, a, I, o, au, ang, ah. But 4 are added in Sanskrit. So that becomes 16 in total. So in Hindi, we have 12 alphabet as swar, as vowels, as vyanjan, as vowels, as swar. But in Sanskrit, we have 16 as vowels or as swar. So this, again, if you know the sequence, if you know the order of alphabet, you will not find it difficult to learn it. And they are all part of the language. And they are put up in such a way that it activates that particular chakra. So when you chant the mantra for Anahat Chakra, it activates, it gives a speed to the Anahat Chakra, that to the balanced speed. Not too high, not too low. It makes that chakra more balanced. Similarly for Manipur, similarly for Swadhisthana, and for Muladhara Chakra. That's how it is. So let's go back to our topic. Today we will be learning the petal mantras of Anahat Chakra, which I've already said, sent the Anahat Chakra English version as well as the Hindi version or the Sanskrit version. But let's first learn the endocrine gland that is controlled by the Anahat Chakra. What is that endocrine gland at the part of our organ in the body? Ravi, can we have that audio visual of Anahat Chakra and the endocrine gland, that is thymus gland?
Yes.
Anahat Chakra has 12 petals.
We can't see that, Ravi.
Letters are Ka.
You have to share the screen.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Anahat Chakra has 12 petals and the Sanskrit letters are Kank, Khank, Gunk, Khunk, Rung, Chunk, Chunk, Junk, Junk, Yank, Tunk, and Tunk, to be chanted as Kang, 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 Rung, Chung, Chung, Jung, Chung, Yang, Tung, Tung, Kang, Kang,
Gang, gang,
Chung, Chung, Jung, Chung, Yang, Tung, Tung,
gang, 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 gang.
Chung, Chung, Jung, Chung, Yang, Tung, Tung. These mantras should be chanted minimum 12 times. After this, chant the Bish mantra Yang for minimum 8 times.
So, as you know that each and every petal is enriched with a quality, that what we are discussing, we have been in discussion since past. 3 sessions. And now again, Anahat Chakra has 12 petals, 12 mantras, 12 nadis that intersect in your with your Sahasrara, with your Sushumna Nadi to give us this chakra. This chakra controls the function of our heart, lungs, as well as thymus gland. Okay. Now again, the 12 qualities, the 4 qualities of Muladhara Chakra which get added. Now again, I'll just repeat the 4 qualities in case if you've forgotten. The 4 qualities of Muladhara Chakra was patience, fearlessness, stability, security. Along with that come trust. Then those 4 qualities get added up to your Swadhisthana Chakra, and 2 more petals adds up in Swadhisthana Chakra, and Swadhisthana Chakra has 6 petals. So along with these 4 qualities, 2 more added up qualities are joy, pleasure, enthusiasm. Then 10 petals are there in Manipur Chakra. So 4 more quality gets added up. What are those 4 more qualities? Self-confidence, ability to make better decision or to take correct decision, then blissfulness. Otherwise, we forget our true nature, to be bliss, to be in the blissful state, and wisdom. Along with being in the blissful state, we are enriched with wisdom. Okay, wisely intelligent, you can say. And then there are 12 petals in Anahat Chakra. So obviously 2 more qualities get added up, positive quality get added up. What are those? It's unconditional love. Unconditional love for self and others, not only your family people, your kids, or your spouse, or your parents. Unconditional love for whoever comes in your contact. Whoever comes in your contact, you give that, you start giving and portraying that unconditional love for everyone, for living beings. Okay? And along with that comes passion, compassion, and devotion. Devotion of knowing yourself much better, and being thankful towards that higher, divinity, that divine, and to surrender yourself completely, to be devoted towards that, to be thankful all the time. Okay, so these are the added up qualities in your Anahat Chakra, along with Muladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipur, and now this is the Anahat Chakra. And if these you are unaware of, there are negative qualities also. So we have already spoken about all the negative qualities of Muladhara, of Swadhisthana, of Manipur, and now in this, what are those negative qualities? To be paranoid. So people whose this Anahat Chakra gets imbalanced or overactive or underactive, then the person may become paranoid. They become indecisive. They become afraid of letting go. Okay, and possessiveness, because what is the opposite of unconditional love? Being possessed. Possessiveness. You start possessive. You're afraid of letting go. So these are the negative qualities, if we are unaware of, we start suffering from. And otherwise, if you are enriched with all these positive qualities, so what happened? You don't criticize others. You start seeing good in everyone. So whatever good quality you have, that get enlightened in your eyes, and not their negative qualities. You don't even look at that. It doesn't matter to you. You don't pay attention to their negative qualities, and you become very friendly towards everyone. If you have unconditional love for everyone, but obviously that being friendly is become a very natural phenomena with you. It becomes very natural nature of yours. Okay, so these are the positive and negative qualities. Let's restart. So it is up to us. It is up to our willpower, what we want. And once we are enriched with these positive qualities, obviously we are, again, I'll repeat myself, we are healthy physically, we are healthy mentally, we are healthy, we lead a healthy life emotionally, and obviously spiritual health comes along with it. And we are in a blissful state, we are joyful, we enjoy small pleasures in life, we pay attention to everybody's pains and aches and their happiness also. We become a part of their happiness. And in turn, what happened? We start enjoying a pleasure, a joyful life. That's what happens. So today, I'll excuse myself. So whatever questions we have, you all have, please, you can ask me now, because once we start the meditation, which will include the petal mantras of Anahat Chakra also, once you start meditation, I want to leave because I have somewhere to go. I need to go somewhere and busy afterwards. So can we have the question answer session before, Ravi?
Yes, let's see.
It's
If
okay.
you have any questions, we'll wait for 4 minutes and then we'll go to meditation.
Yeah. So please, whatever questions, whatever queries you have, whatever you have not understood, we can talk about it now.
Any questions? Anybody? Before we start meditation? Any difficulties anybody is facing?
Yeah, I've tried myself to make it more clearer.
I think people are very used to asking question at the end, so they're finding this.
But I'm sorry for today. It won't happen every time.
Is there an English version for petal mantras, please?
I've already sent, you have WhatsApped. It has the English version also.
Yeah.
English alphabet, if you say no, it's the pronunciation of Hindi alphabets in English with English letters.
I think we've already sent it to everyone that we have
There's
on WhatsApp.
We can show it here. So if they want to take a pic, they can. We have already shared it in the group.
Yeah, I've already shared it in the group. We've shown it here also a little bit earlier. So,
how do you pronounce the 10th alphabet for the Anahat Chakra? And how long can you shower after the? Oh, you can shower. Why don't you shower before? It'll be much better to shower before the meditation. It's always because you will feel fresh, and meditation will be much better after shower. So do it before.
Well, I'm one of those who showers afterwards. So I'm sorry.
Even I used to do at times, but not always. But now I shower and then sit for meditation. It's always much better because you feel fresh, and you like it. And it further refreshes you, the meditation.
Can you give the pronunciation for the 10th alphabet for the Anahat Chakra, please?
Yeah, so I'll pronounce all of them because I know it in a sequential order. So, Kang, Khang, Gang, Dung, Chunk, Chunk, Junk, Junk, Yang, Tung, Tung, Dung. I repeat. Kang, Khang, Gang, Khang, Rang. Kang, Khang, Gang, Khang, Rang. It's Ra. So, Rang. Tung, sorry, Kang, Khang, Gang. I'll just have to check because I just remember it like how it is. Kang, Khang, Gang, Khang, Rang. Chang, Chang, Jang, Chang, Yang. Tung, Tung, Dung. Tung, Tung. Yang. It's Yang. Yeah. Yang. Okay? Yang. That's the 10th letter. Yang. So Arunaji was finding it difficult to memorize and she didn't understand. That's the reason I requested you, Raviji, to show that paper so that people know how, in a wonderful order, it has been set up. So again, as I said, people who have learned Hindi and Sanskrit, they will find it much easier to memorize all this, because again, it's in a sequential order. Yes.
Can we keep our eyes open while meditating?
No, as I said, we meditate to control all our 5 sense organs, to take it inside. If you keep your eyes open, your mind will wander here and there. Whatever you see, your mind will go there. Why do you want to keep your eyes open? In fact, during yoga asanas, except the asanas that you do it in the standing state, you should keep your eyes closed, so that when you are performing your asanas and all, your mind is completely inside, and you are at the at that place where you can feel the sensation is happening, or that asana is working on that organ. So meditation, pranayam and asanas in the sitting state, supine, and on your back should be done. On your stomach should be done with your eyes closed. So that you can, along with doing meditation and all, you can practice pratyahar. Pratyahar means taking everything inside.
Okay, if morning hours are busy, what is the good time in the day, 11 a.m. or late afternoon?
Before food.
Suryast is a good time?
Consuming any food. Or if you have taken anything, give a gap of 2 to 3 hours and then perform it. But taking a cup of coffee or tea, then after half an hour, 1 hour, you can do this.
Okay, we had another question with the same thing. Best time to meditate, please. Early.
Look, the best time to meditate is dawn or dusk, obviously. But again, whatever time you want to do it, at whatever, you can do it, but empty stomach.
Please give proportion of timings for Anulom Vilom.
Anulom Vilom, as I said earlier, when we did the session, that Anulom Vilom should always be done in the ratio of 1:4:2. That is, so now we have increased it to 5:20:10. That's the right ratio. Once you get used to of this ratio, 5:20:10, please increase it further to 6:24:12. Okay, and keep increasing it after the interval, with the interval of 1 month. So 1 month, you get used to this ratio and then increase it by 1 more number. And minimum 3 rounds of this should be done every day. Any more?
I think we should start meditation because we have 42 minutes of meditation and it's already 8:24.
Okay.
Unless somebody has any question, one last one, let me see.
Okay.
The order that we are following during the meditation, is there a reason to it?
Yes, because you mean to say petal mantras and the beach mantras? Yes, there is a reason. Because it's a nadis, so you actually activate all the nadi. Nadi means if there is any blockages in those nadis, you unblock the blockages. And then you push your prana through your Sushumna nadi in the upward direction by chanting the beach mantras. So you unblock all the petals and all the nadis that are a part of this chakra, and then you push that prana upward. That's what. So there is reason, there is science behind everything. And we should follow that nature, that science.
With your permission, can we move on to the meditation, please?
Yes, please. That will be great. And I'll take your leave from here. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, there is a meditation group for chakra meditation. It is, you can reach me on 832-228-7284 to join that group. And we'll go to meditation now.
Om Sehna Vavatu Sehno Bhunaktu Seh Veeram Karvavahe Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahe Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Take your positions. Sit with your back straight, with your hands in Gyan Mudra, resting on your lap. Close your eyes and relax. Relax every part of your body. Now, focus on your breath. On the flow of your breath. Be it fast, slow, rhythmic, non-rhythmic, equal or unequal. Focus on the temperature of your breath. Feel the coolness of the air on the inside of your nostrils while breathing in. Feel the warmth of the air on your upper lip area while breathing out. Now, with your eyes closed, look on both sides of your nose to stop inner eye movement. Let's begin with Omkar. Begin. Now, prepare yourself for Anulom Vilom. Begin. Left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. Jalandhar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Right out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. Jalandhar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. Jalandhar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20. Right out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. Jalandhar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Left out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. Jalandhar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Right out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. Jalandhar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Left out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Now, square breathing with Gayatri Mantra. Begin. Om Bhurvasvaha तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। Now it is time for chakra meditation. Muladhara chakra, located above the anus. Visualize a red lotus with 4 petals, with the golden yellow square at the center, yantra of the earth element. Let us begin with the petal mantras. Begin. Wang, Shang, Shang, Sang. 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 Now, Beej mantra. Begin. Now, Swadhisthana, located just below the tailbone. Visualize an orange lotus with 6 petals and a crescent moon in the center, yadra of the water element. The petal mantras begin. Bang, 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 yang, yang, yang. 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 Now, the beach mantra begin. One. Next, Manipur Chakra, located right behind our navel, on the lumbar spine. For that, visualize a yellow lotus with 10 petals, with the red triangle at the center, yantra of the fire element. Petal mantras. Begin. Dang, dang, rang, dang, 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 nang, bang, fang. Dang, dang, rang, dang, 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 nang, bang, fang. Dang, dang, rang, dang, 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 nang, bang, fang. Dang, dang, rang, dang, 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 nang, bang, fang. Dang, dang, rang, dang, 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 nang, bang, fang. Dang, dang, rang, dang, 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 nang, bang, fang. Dang, dang, rang, dang, 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 nang, bang, fang. Dang, dang, rang, dang, 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 nang, bang, fang. Dang, dang, rang, dang, 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 nang, bang, fang. Dang, dang, rang, dang, 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 nang, bang, fang. Now, the beach mantras. Begin. It is time for Anahat now, located behind the heart on the path of the thoracic spine. Visualize a green lotus with 12 petals, with a star at the center, yatra of the air element. Petal mantras begin. Gang, 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 rang, chang, 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 yang, tang, tang. Gang, 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 rang, chang, 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 yang, tang, tang. Gang, 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 rang, chang, 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 yang, tang, tang. Gang, 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 rang, chang, 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 yang, tang, tang. Gang, 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 rang, chang, 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 yang, tang, tang. Gang, 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 rang, chang, 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 yang, tang, tang. Gang, 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 rang, chang, 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 yang, tang, tang. Gang, 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 rang, chang, 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 yang, tang, tang. Gang, 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 rang, chang, 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 yang, tang, tang. Gang, 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 rang, chang, 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 yang, tang, tang. Gang, 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 rang, chang, 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 yang, tang, tang. Gang, 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 rang, chang, 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 yang, tang, tang. The beach mantras begin. Next, Vishuddhi, located right behind our Adam's apple on the path of the cervical spine. Now, beach mantras begin. Now, move up to the Agya Chakra, located between the eyebrows. Now, beach mantras begin. Finally, in Sahasrara, located at the crown of the head, chant the beach mantra Soham silently. Begin. With that, we will end this meditation with the universal mantra Om. Begin. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your palms together, cup your eyes, and slowly open your eyes. Hari Om.
Welcome back. I hope everyone had a good meditation. Let me know if you have any administrative type of questions before we close out today's session. Thank you, everyone. And we will see all of you next week for a meditation only session. Bye.